now I'm trying to learn to play the guitar, but I don't think I'm learning it. So, but I want to learn how to play the guitar.
Have you tried the field of arts, such as performing arts or dancing and
Arts? Siguro mga sample-sample.
so among those that you have tried, what is your favorite?
Arts?
So in dancing, especially at creating. Staying on favorite, what is your favorite?
Chicken curry.
So how about, do you have any favorite?
Apple juice or an apple juice.
A different one. We know that you're good friends with your and a lot of people are fans of the show. What can you say about
Wala, syempre, what others say, we can stop there. Pero we can hire just good friends. And we just support each other. Because I'm also a fan of volleyball as well. I watch volleyball. The games.
So, speaking of games, we've seen your family support you in the game through the interviews. I just want to know how you spend time and what do you usually work with?
On weekends, we usually have dinner together and we watch movies a lot. As a family, that's what we love to do.
So you really sit in the good a lot of time.
Yeah, we really bond it.
Being the one side of the family, are you the playful type, the big one, or the spoiled one?
I'm actually the shy one. Maybe I'm the quiet type of the family, and my brother Jerry is the childish.
So among your siblings, who's the one who's scared?
Si brother ko.
So how does it feel growing up in a family athletes?
Well, I grew up watching my dad's games. You see our VHS there. So, wala. So growing up, I became a fan of. So growing up, as early as grade school, I became a fan of basketball. So growing up was really all basketball. As time passed by, I became more fanatic.
So did you feel any shakes in
Pressure? Well, yeah, there's no pressure. Because, wala, basketball for me and my brother before was just all fun. We didn't expect to be here, playing basketball. When we started, we just wanted to have fun.